Okay, I'll start with Bangla question from some of the journalists back home. মিরাজ, বাংলাদেশের এই টেস্ট সিরিজে এবং এই পুরো সিরিজে টার্গেট কি হবে?
আলহামদুলিল্লাহ, যে আমাদের টার্গেট থাকবে অবশ্যই ভালো ক্রিকেট খেলার জন্য। কারণ এর আগে আমরা যখন এখানে খেলেছিলাম আমরা টেস্ট ক্রিকেটে অতটা ভালো করতে পারিনি, বিশেষ করে আমরা একটা জিততে পারিনি লাস্ট 4 বছরের। যদি আমরা দেখি এখানে 2টা টেস্ট ম্যাচ খেলেছিলাম। সো আমাদের টার্গেট থাকবে জেতার জন্য এবং যেন সবাই পারফর্ম করে সেজন্য।
এই ফিলিংটা কেমন তোমার 50তম টেস্টে ইউ আর লিডিং দ্য সাইড ইন বাংলাদেশ? তোমার এই ফিলিংসটা তোমার জন্য কেমন?
না, অবশ্যই আলহামদুলিল্লাহ খুবই ভালো লাগছে, যেহেতু 50টা টেস্ট খেলবো এবং এটা দেশের জন্য আমার জন্য অনেক ভালো একটা পাওয়া। এবং আমি মনে করি দেশের জন্য 50টা টেস্ট খেলা এটা অনেক বিরাট অ্যাচিভমেন্ট। সো আশা করি এটা আমার জন্য বড় একটা অ্যাচিভমেন্ট থাকবে এবং সেটা যদি স্মরণীয় করে রাখতে পারি এটা আরও অ্যাচিভমেন্ট থাকবে।
লাস্ট ওয়ান, অ্যান্টিগায় খুব ফন্ড মেমোরিজ নাই বাংলাদেশে, বিগত তুমি প্রথম আনসারে দিয়েছো, বাট এই ব্যাপারে তোমাদের কেমন চিন্তা ভাবনা এবং টিমের অবস্থান কি দেখছো? আশার পর প্রিপারেশন বলো বা প্র্যাকটিস কেমন ছিল?
হ্যাঁ, আলহামদুলিল্লাহ, দেখেন যে এন্টিকাতে এর আগে আমরা ভালো টেস্ট ক্রিকেট খেলিনি, আমরা খুব বাজেভাবে হেরেছিলাম। বাট এবার আমরা নতুনভাবে এসেছি, আমরা এখানে প্রায় 10 দিনের মতন প্র্যাকটিস করেছি, একটা প্র্যাকটিস ম্যাচ খেলেছি এবং প্লেয়াররাও খুব ভালো প্রিপারেশন নিয়েছে। আমি অনেক কনফিডেন্ট যে আমার টিম অনেক ভালো করবে এবং সবাই ভালো ক্রিকেট খেলে আমরা যেন ম্যাচটা জিততে পারি এবং ব্যাটসম্যানরা, বোলাররা এবং আমি, স্পিনাররা যারা আছে সবাই যদি টিমভাবে খেলতে পারি, আশা করি এই টেস্টে একটা ভালো একটা রেজাল্ট আসবে।
একটা ইংলিশে জিজ্ঞেস করবো, one in English. How do you take this test series as, there are some big names or some senior guys missing in this test series? So particularly this is a very inexperienced side, I would say. So how was your preparation and what is your expectation regarding this series?
Actually at this moment we are practice a lot and we practicing work hard last few days. Actually you tell me we don't have senior players at this moment, but we had good senior player at this moment, me, Mominul and Liton Das. They are very experienced guy and we are playing here last 2 test matches, like last 2 years ago we are coming here and just playing. I think it's much better and we just think about positive all the time. We don't think about negative, we just focus on our game.
Given the fact that Shakib Al-Hassan and some of the main players are missing, how will that impact, you think, on the squad, the feeling of the team going into this season?
Yeah, definitely. It can happen, sometime we missing some senior player, like Mushi's got injured and he is not playing, and obviously Sakib is not there and he already mentioned that going to retire. So it's been tough, but still we believe that we can better. I already mentioned that we have good side right now. Some of the young players coming, they had good opportunity to perform well in this conditions. So actually we believe that we can play well and we can come strongly.
Thank you.
Questions?
Yep.
Great.
Yes.
The general feeling and mood in the West Indies camp heading into this match?
Well, the guys are really looking forward to it. We haven't played Test cricket for a little while, so the guys, excited to get out there. It's a ground we love playing at. We enjoy playing here, and the guys ready and raring to go.
We know that Bangladesh were dismissed for their lowest ever test score 43 a few years ago on this very ground. How psychologically uplifting is that going into this game?
Everything going is history. We're playing against a talented Bangladesh team, so I mean, what's gone is gone. We obviously got to look forward to, come tomorrow and starting well in whatever we do.
You would have had a look at the picture based on the experience. How would you be assessing the pitch at this particular point in time for tomorrow?
It looks a good cricket pitch. I mean, here in Antigua, you always tend to get some movement with the pacers, to be honest, and some carry. So it's quite similar to how it is normally. I mean, we practice on a few of the pitches close by, and they were good. They came onto the bat lovely, so we could expect a good cricket pitch. Assisting, the pacers and a bit of spin probably later in the game.
Kila Roach is part of that pace attack. He was the main destroyer when Bangladesh was blown away for 43. How important is the fact that he's in the West Indies squad?
Very important. I mean, Kimar is a very, very experienced player and obviously test bowler. And, on the field, obviously he's great, but off the field, the information he shares with us is phenomenal. And, having him around, I think, is very important for this team. And obviously on the field, we know his statistics and playing here in the Caribbean as well. So obviously I look forward to that. But, on and off the field, I think Kimar is a true example of a leader.
The West Indies batting going into this particular test match. What is your general feeling of where the batters are now?
I think they're in a good space. A few of the guys who have played in the Super 50 tournament and got some scores, so that was good to see. And it's just all about that belief. Coming, having a difficult year thus far, but we're having some good performances with the bat, and it's just to draw from them as much as possible. And we got 4 innings here, and it's just to bat your plans 100%.
Part of that difficulty means that the West Indies are not necessarily high in the World Test Championship standings, but there is still much to play for with respect to that. Is that a motivation that there is still something at stake here?
Yeah, for sure. Also, we looked at the points as a team, and we know we got 4 games left in this cycle, and we could still pretty much come high up in the table. We just got to believe. And as I said, we're playing against a talented Bangladesh team, so it won't be easy. Obviously, what's gone is gone. The performances before against Bangladesh is gone. We got to come ready and ready to go, tomorrow morning.
Thanks very much.
All right, a couple from the rest of the region, Craig. In terms of the bowling lineup being settled, how easy it is or difficult is it for you for the team to select it, given the nature of the bowling attack?
But not that difficult, to be honest. But in terms of the R11, we have myself and Louis, number 3, Casey Cardi, number 4. Well, pretty much the same, Kavim Hodge and Ali Anthony's. Justin Grace comes in to bat number 6, Joshua Da Silva 7. And then we play the four fast bowlers, Kimar Roach, Jaden Seals, Alzari Joseph, and Shamar Joseph.
Okay, one more question here. Given the record that the West Indies hold over Bangladesh, which is a dominant one at home, how do you guard against complacency to ensure that the players are on their toes throughout the series?
Yeah, as I said early on, I think what is gone is gone. I think that's history. We got to focus on tomorrow morning and starting well. And, that's on our minds. And as I said, what is gone is gone. And, we look forward to this challenge of playing Test cricket.